Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set lock on display in any Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings and search for security. Let's scroll down. Here you can see security. Press on this. Now you can see here 3 options to lock your display. Number 1, screen lock. Here you can set your pattern or pin number. The next one, number 2, fingerprint. In this option, you can use your fingerprints. You can use here at least 5 fingerprints. And the last one, face. Here you can use your face as your phone lock. That's it. So this is how to set lock on display in any Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.